Hi guys, my name is Jennifer Farley and this is Photoshop Bootcamp.
The crop tool in Photoshop removes or hides whatever part of the image you choose. It's an essential tool for anyone working with images, and it's useful for helping to create a focus in your photograph and for removing distractions in the image. To use the crop tool, simply press on the crop tool on the toolbar or press C on the keyboard, and you'll see that a cropping border is automatically added around the photograph. You'll also notice that there are handles in each corner and there's handles along the side, top and bottom, left and right. We simply grab one of these handles and start to drag. You can also move the image inside the cropping area. Notice the dimmed area outside of this cropping border. This is the bit that will actually get cropped away. When you're happy with how your crop appears, you can simply press Enter on the PC or Return, or press on the Confirm Crop icon in the options bar. And that is a beautifully cropped image. We've just seen how to do the most basic crop, where we click on the tool, the crop border appears on the image and we drag the handles. But you can also just select the crop tool and simply drag over the area that you want to crop to. So if I take the crop tool again by clicking on it or press C on the keyboard, and let's say I just wanted to make a crop area here showing the two cruise ships. I'm just going to click and drag out and then release the mouse. The cropping area appears, and we can adjust it as before by dragging on any of the handles that we want, and then press Enter or click on the commit. Now let's just go back a bit, and I'm going to choose File and Revert. So I'm back to my original image. There is another tool that we can use to crop with, and it's the Marquee Tool. So I'm going to drag out a rectangular marquee around this building here, image and crop, and it does exactly the same thing, except that it's not retaining the cropped area the way the crop tool does, but it effectively does the same thing. It crops away the area outside of the selection. So I'll hit Command and D or Control and D to get rid of my selection, and there's my photograph cropped.
So hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the Photoshop Bootcamp channel. Thanks a million. Bye.